run through Samantha Akkineni's Instagram page and you'll only be inspired to get pictures clicked like her. Be it a fashion photo shoot or holidays, she is just lit and you'd agree too. And these latest pictures from her holiday with hubby NagaChaitanya in Ibiza are too hot to handle. Her happy smile says it all, how she is enjoying the holiday with family, and the picture speaks a million words. Earlier, Samantha posted a couple of pictures of father-in-law Samantha Akkineni, who is also with them on their holiday, and we have every reason to believe he is reverse aging in reverse. And after this, more pictures followed from their family holiday, and we are planning our next holiday surely. What about you? News Desk.